before you guys, we were doing warranty work, and then for a while we did use a different marketing company. Didn't work out so well for us. We actually got zero calls from them. And then when we came back to you guys when your market opened up again, uh, it's been good for us again since. I mean, our warranty side works really well. That's what keeps us consistent. But with the marketing side, we've been able to. Right now, we're still in the learning curve. So right now, we're still. Some days we don't get calls, some days we do, and but we're getting more smooth. So hopefully, in the next month or so, we'll be able to actually get to the point where we're nice and consistent. It's been pretty good for us on our end, being able to contact someone and actually talk to a live person. While the other marketing company that we use, they emailed, called. I want to hear back from them for a week or so. So it's definitely a better experience to be able to talk to someone, like a live person, and be able to be like, hey, what's going on with my campaign, or what's going on with this, or simply I need to pause my ads for the day. I'm able to actually just talk to someone and let them know what I'm thinking. I'll say this. At first, it might seem daunting to be like, oh, it's a lot of money. Like the marketing is a lot of money. But if you invest in your company, and as long as you do right by the customers, you'll be able to get an ROI on that investment very quickly. Um, Pretty much is all about how what type of person you really are. I mean, appliance repair marketing will get you the calls, they'll get you the leads. It's really just up to you if you're able to close on those leads. And I mean, there's no promise in sales or in commission, but they'll do what they're saying that they'll do. They'll definitely get you the leads. They'll definitely get your phone ringing.